how can you go and remove a merge field or an entire paragraph, depending on certain criteria? So in this case, I don't want to show the entire paragraph when the free text is empty. So I don't only want to remove the merge fields, but actually the entire paragraph, so that I don't have a big white space over here. Okay, how do we go about that? First of all, let's take a look at the document. When I generate the document, it would indeed show the white space. So here there is indeed 3 enters in between this text and the signature text. Now there is no free text, so that's where I want to remove the merge field, actually the entire paragraph for the merge fields. How can we do that? We can just add a config type paragraph. The data source is going to be an opportunity, so depending if you are looping through something, it can be a list. If you obviously only want to remove one paragraph to make sure it's a single data source. So in our case, the free text comes from a single data source, and I would use the opportunity. The merge field is going to be free text, and I want to use the merge fields for printing out the merge text when there is free text. So I'm not going to set any remove merge field action. If I only use this merge fields to define if there is a paragraph required or not to show, then obviously I want to change the merge field action into mer field only. So now I'm going to add my condition, my criteria. So I'm going to indicate here, this is the free text field, and I say is not empty. So this will actually show the paragraph when the free text is not empty. Okay? As I indicated, period. I don't want to remove the merge fields. I want to reuse the merge fields. So I have another rich text in this case as a merge config type to show the free text. Now this it will not be allowed because the validator will say that the free text is used twice. So what we have to do is do it in the clean way. This free text needs to be the child of this paragraph. So I can delete it and recreate it, but I can also relink it and say, I'm going to make this a child of the free text paragraph. Okay, so this is now a child. I can say save to server. Now everything is saved. There is no problems here. And I would regenerate the document. I now have not 3 enters, but only 2 enters between this text here and the signature. So exactly what I want.